Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Vasantaha. What is meant by Vasantaha? Vasantaha means spring. Vasanta Rituhu. Vasanta Rituhu means spring season. Okay, children? In Vasanta Ritu, in spring season only, we can see the whole beauty of the nature. See here, children, see the picture. How beauty it is. Okay. Now, I will read the paragraph, then I will explain the meanings. Okay, children. See here. The first one. एकस्मिन् वर्षे 12 मासाः 6 ऋतवः च भवन्ति. चैत्रः, वैशाखः, ज्येष्ठः, आषाढः, श्रावणः, भाद्रपदः, आश्विनः, कार्तिकः, मार्गशीर्षः, पौषः, माघः, फाल्गुनः च एते 12 मासाः भवन्ति. वसन्तः, ग्रीष्मः, वर्षा, शरद, हेमन्तः, शिशिरः च एते 6 ऋतवः भवन्ति. वसन्तः वर्षस्य प्रथमः ऋतुः अस्ति. वसन्तः सर्वेषु ऋतुषु श्रेष्ठः वर्तते. वसन्ते सुगन्धः पवनः मन्दं मन्दं वहति. वृक्षाणां शाखासु नूतनाः पल्लवाः उद्भवन्ति. पुष्पाणि च विकसन्ति. कोकिला मधुरस्वरेण कूजति. पुष्पेषु भ्रमराः गुञ्जन्ति. सरोवरेषु कमलानि विकसन्ति. Then see here, children. Vasante न केवलं मानवाः एव अपितु खगाः, पशवः, वृक्षाः चापि प्रसन्नताम् अनुभवन्ति. अतएव वसन्तः ऋतुराजः कथ्यते. Okay, children. Now I will teach you the meaning. See here. एकस्मिन् वर्षे 12 मासाः 6 ऋतवः च भवन्ति. एकस्मिन् means one. In one, वर्षे means year. एकस्मिन् वर्षे, in 1 year, 12 मासाः. How many months are there in 1 year? Yes, you are right. 12 मासाः. 12 means 12. Masaha, months. Okay, children. Then 6 ritavaha. Ritu ritavaha. Rituhu means season. Ritavaha means seasons. Okay, children. How many seasons are there in 1 year? You say? Yes, you are right. 6 seasons are there in 1 year. Okay, children. Then षड् ऋतवः च भवन्ति. Then What are the 12 months? They have discussed here. Listen here. Chaitraha, Vaishakhaha, Jyeshtaha, Ashadaha, Shravanaha, Bhadrapadaha, Ashvinaha, Kartikaha, Margashirshaha, Paushaha, Maghaha, Phalgunaha cha. Yete Dvadasha masaha bhavanti. From the word Chaitraha to Phalgunaha, all these months are called 12 months. Okay, children? 12 Sanskrit months. See here. Dvadasha masaha bhavanti. Okay, children? Then what are the 6 ritus? What are the names? See here. Vasantaha, Grishmaha, Varsha, Sharad, Hemandaha, Shishiraha cha yete shad ritavaha bhavanti. There are 6 seasons. What are they? Vasanta rituhu, Grishma rituhu, Varsha rituhu, Sharad rituhu, Hemanta rituhu, Shishira rituhu. Okay, children? So, in a year, how many months are there? 12 months. How many seasons are there? 6 seasons. Okay, children? Then, Vasantaha Varshasya Prathamaha Rituhu Asti. What's meant by that? The Vasanta Ritu, the spring season, is the first season of the year. Okay, children? Which is the first season? Vasanta Rituhu. Okay, the spring season is the first season of a year. See here. Vasantaha, Vasanta Rituhu, Varshasya, in a year, Prathamaha Rituhu, first season, Asti. Vasantaha Sarveshu Ritushu Sreshtaha Vartate. Among all the 6 ritus, Vasanta Rituhu, the spring season, is the greatest ritu of all the seasons. Okay, children? Among 6 seasons, which is the greatest season? Yes, you are right. Vasanta Rituhu, the spring season. Why it is called the greatest season of all the seasons? They have given the explain. See here. See here, children. First, Vasante Sugandhaha Pavanaha Mandam Mandam Vahati. Vasante, in Vasanta Ritu, in spring season, Sugandhaha Pavanaha, the breeze with fragrance. It will come like this, right? If you go and sit in a garden in spring season, in morning time, a cool air will come and touch you with fragrance. In Tamil we say Tendral Kaatru. Okay, children? That is what they are saying. Mandam Mandam Vahati. Mandam Mandam means what? Slowly, slowly it is coming like this. The air is flowing. Then the air is touching us. Okay, with fragrance, with a good smell. Then Vrikshanam Shakhasu Nutanaha Pallavaha Udbhavanti. What does mean by that? In spring season only, in trees, a new branches will grow. Okay, children? New branches will grow in the spring seasons. That's why they have given here. See here. Vrikshanam Shakhasu. In branches of trees, Nutanaha Pallavaha. Pallavaha means branches. Nutanaha means new little branches will grow, will come. Okay, children? Then, Pushpani cha Vikasanti. In that new little branches, flower will bloom. The flowers will bloom. Okay, children? All these things happening in the spring season. Then, kokila madhura swarena kujati. Kokila means cuckoo bird. The cuckoo bird will singing sweetly during the spring season. In Vasanta Ritu. Okay, children, see here. Kokila madhura swarena. Madhura swarena means what? Madhurena swarena. With a sweet sound, with a melodious sound, the cuckoo bird will chirp. Kujati means to chirp. Okay, children? Then, pushpeshu bhramaraha gunjanti. Bhramaraha means honey bees. What the honey bees will do? Honey bees will come to the flowers and taking the nectar from the flower during the spring season. Then, sarovareshu kamalani vikasanti. Sarovareshu means what? In pond, in lake, the lotuses will bloom during the Vasanta Ritu, during the spring season. Okay, children? Then, Sarovareshu means in the lakes, in the ponds. Then, Kamalani means lotuses. Vikasanti means blooming. Okay, children? Then, Vasante na kevalam manavaha eva apitu khagaha pashavaha vrikshaha chapi prasannatam anubhavanti. Who are all happy during the Vasanta Ritu? Not only we people are happy during the Vasanta Ritu, also the birds, the animals, all are very happy during the Vasanta Ritu, spring season. See here. Na kevalam manavaha. Not only we people are enjoying the Vasanta Ritu, the spring season. Also, khagaha means birds. Pashavaha means animals. Vrikshaha means trees. All those are also enjoying the spring season. Atayeva Vasantaha Ruturajaha Kathyate. Because of these reasons only, we are saying the spring season is the king of all the seasons. Rutunam Raja Ruturaja. Okay, children? King of all seasons. Listen carefully, children. Now I will show you the picture one more time. Listen. See the picture. Okay, children? Thank you so much. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.